My name is Mike Salimi. We named our little farm Red Gate Goat Farms. We got a lot of these dairy breeds. We got boar goats, which are the meat goat breed, show goats. We make soaps and lotions, all kinds of goat milk products out of the dairy goat milk. Are you ready? Here. It takes him about 2 minutes to drink this little bottle. He takes 3 of these 20-ounce bottles 3 times a day. And he eats grass and feed and everything else. I'm surprised he doesn't weigh 100 pounds already. We milk, most people milk twice a day, once in the mornings, once in the evenings. We, just because of our work schedules, we milk once at night. And once we get up and fully operational, we'll milk twice a day. And most of these, which we're milking five goats right now, and most of them milk anywhere from a half gallon to probably a little over a gallon a day. Goats come up, they'll just jump up on their train to do it. They've done it plenty of times. We'll have a bucket of feed right here and just kind of latch the rope on them and wash the teats down, clean them up real good, put the bucket under them, and we hand milk every bit. We don't have a milk machine. We do everything by hand. And when that goat gets milked out, we'll wipe her down with iodine or whatever to disinfect it, to keep from getting mastitis, and leave that one back. They are extremely loving. They're like little kids. I mean, you can see their moods on their face. If a goat's in a bad mood, you can see it in his face or her face. And our goats are always happy. They have a little smile most of the time, or at least that's what I call it. If they don't feel well, you can tell by their body language. It's kind of like having however many there are out there, 25 actual kids versus animals. Almost like a snake, they can just slither in and out. Some of they are unique, that's for sure. We've got a Facebook page, Red Gate Goat Farms. Just go to it, and everything that we sell and make is on there. You can order on it. And from Waynesboro, Georgia, located in Waynesboro, Georgia. Burke County, Georgia, and I don't think we'll ever be moving, really.